Good morning students, welcome to Mulkra online class. It's math lecture of grade 3. Today we will solve chapter number 1 whole numbers. Students, open page number 17 of countdown book. Firstly we will look what are predecessors and successors. Predecessor means the number that comes just before another number, as pre means before, and the successor that just comes after another number. Successor means succeed means follow. As like this, 5 is the successor of 4, 140 is the successor of 139. It means successor means the number that just comes after another number. Now we have question, write the predecessor. It's 6492. What comes before 6492? It is 6491. It's 1001. What comes before 1001? It is 1000. The number that comes before 5870, so it comes 5869. What comes before 70? It is 69. 6924, 6923. What comes before 24? It's 23. 5020, it's 5019. What comes before 20? It is 19. 5019. 79,999, 79,998. What comes before 99? It's 98. Now question number 2, write the successor. 1596. What comes after 96? It's 97. So it is 1597. 2099. What comes after 99? It's 100. 2100. 2129. What comes after 29? Is 30. 2130. 9999. It's 10,000. 7009. 7010. What comes after 9? It is 10. So 7010. 63,251. It's 63,252. What comes after 51? 52. 91,408. What comes after 408? It is 409. So it is 91,409. Students, next we have page number 18. Fill in the boxes. The greatest one digit number is 9. Its successor is, as you know, what means successor? The number that comes after. What comes after 9? It is 10, which is the smallest two digit number. 10 is the smallest two digit number because 11, 12 it is increasing, so 10 is the smallest two digit number. It is smallest two digit number. The greatest two digit number is 99. Its successor is, what comes after 99? It's 100, which is again the smallest three digit number. 100 is smallest three digit number. The greatest three digit number is 999. Its successor is, what comes after 999? It is 1000, which is the smallest four digit number. Look at this, it is smallest four digit number. Now we have question, identify the circle number as predecessor or successor, then put a tick in the correct box. Look at this, it's 5698 is circled. So it is, what is this? It is the successor of 5697. Next we have 3109. It is circled. So what is this? It is predecessor or successor? Look at this, it is 3110. So 9 is the predecessor of 10. It means we have to tick in predecessor box. Next we have 4430, and the circle box is number is 4429. Now look at this, 29 is the predecessor of 30. It is the predecessor of this number, so we have to again tick in the predecessor box. Next is 9999, 9998. 9999 is the successor of this number, so we have to put tick in this successor box. 8119, 8120. Look at this, it is 19 is circled. It means it is the predecessor of 20, so we have to tick the box in the predecessor box. 21,490, 21,489. Look at this, it is 90 and it is 89. 89 is the predecessor of 90. So tick in the predecessor box. 30,690, 30,691. Circled number is 691 and it is 690. So 691 is the successor of 690. So tick in the successor box. Next we have 75,129, 75,130. It is the predecessor. Again tick in the predecessor box. Students, now open page number 20. Place greater or lesser in each box. Which digit did you compare? Look at this, it's 648, 640. We have to compare. Look at this, it's 8 ones, it is 0 1. So what is which is number is greater? It is 648 is greater. It means we compare ones number. 906 and 956. Here we have 6 on the ones place, both 6, and now we compare 0 and 5. It's tens, 5 tens as 0 tens. So 5 is greater. So it means we have to compare tens and number which is greater, 956. Next we have 900 and 800. Now which number we compare? Look at this, here we have ones and tens, zeros. Now we compare 100 number. It is 800 and it is 900. So which number is greater? It is 900. It means we compare 100. Next we have 624, 654. Which number we compare? It is tens. Look at this, it is 5 tens, it is 2 tens. So which number is greater? 654. Next we have 398, 459. We compare 8 ones and 9 ones. Which is greater? It is 459. So right here ones. 490, 190. Again we compare hundreds number. It is 1 and it is 4. 4 is greater. 490 is greater. 220, 227. We compare ones number, 0 and 7. So 227 is greater. 412, 452. Again we compare tens number, 1 tens, 5 tens. Students, next we question number 2. Fill in the box with symbols greater or lesser. You can easily solve this. Next question number, page number 21. Next page number 21. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Students, as you know, what is the meaning of ascending from smallest to largest? So we arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. It is 319. Next number is 476. Next is 482, and the last greatest number, largest number is 493. Next we have smallest number is 499. Next is 509, 599, and the largest number is 629. Next we have 499 is smallest. Next we have 500, 509, and 599. Same like this you will solve these two parts. Arrange these numbers in descending order. As you know, descending means from largest to smallest. So we arrange these numbers from largest to smallest. First number, largest, is 894. Next we have 849. Next 814, and the last number is 481. Again find out the largest number, that is 400. Next we have 396, 389, and the smallest number is 369. Again largest number here we have, it is 926. Next 884, 684, and the last is 884. Next is 864, and the smallest number is 684. Okay, arrange these numbers in descending order from largest to smallest. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.